Oh hey buddy, today we're gonna talk about my hobbies. Now, Mr. Charlie Mack was kind enough to tag me in the tell 3 of your hobbies thing that's going around. You know what I'm saying? I wasn't aware of this, but evidently it's a thing that's going around, and I have to tell 3 of my hobbies. Model cars, you know I do that. The thing is, I don't do a lot of stuff consistently enough to call them my hobbies. I like to read. I think that's a good hobby. I like to watch YouTube. You know what? Scratch that. Let's do this over. I like video games, movies. I love movies. Star Trek. I'm gonna try that. Just being annoying, you know. Oh, I made this. I make coin rings. This is a 1977 quarter, because that's when I was born. Yep, I'm 42. Is Sudoku a hobby? I have 3 daughters, Kayla, Haley, and Lake. Oh yeah, I gotta tag 3 people, huh? I'm tagging you. I'm just joking, but I'm tagging Tom at T4's Altered Rods, Ron Stewart. Yeah, you're tagged, sir. Last but not least, I'm tagging Buddy.
Huh? You can't tag me.
I was just joking.
Oh,
I'm not tagging you.
I got warrants.
What? Anyway, last but not least, I'm tagging Big Eddie at Big Eddie 1231. You're tagged, sir. Now, I am aware that these people could have already been tagged, but it's just a multiple tag. You 3 are tagged, and you gotta pick or tag 3 people, then they gotta tag 3 people. At some point we're gonna run out of people. Goodbye.